Good afternoon to all. Is this the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class we have studied about the different types of supports and also different types of beams. Okay, we have studied various types of problems also. Okay, you have seen. Just a minute. Taken some problems. Okay, are you perfect with the problems? What are problems we have taken? Hmm? Yes, all of you take down this one. Is the whiteboard is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right now. Find the reactions. Find the reactions offered. Find the reactions offered by the supports. By the supports. By the supports. By the supports. For the beam. For the beam shown in figure. For the beam shown in figure. Okay. So in the last class we have seen all the types of supports and also all the types of beams with the UDL, UVL, point load and moment also. So now we will take and there the problem was beam was it was purely horizontal. Okay, and supports were purely normal to the beam. So now we will see if the support is inclined. If the support is inclined. So all of it take down this figure. There is a 30° and over that one there is a forces. Okay, this is the beam which is given in the problem. So which type of beam it is? Which type of beam it is? Which type of beam it is? Is it simply supported or fixed or what? Cantilever? Which type of beam it is?
Overhanging.
Yes, very good. It is overhanging because the part of the beam is it is not supported. Okay, it is free from the given beam. That is overhanging. That's why the entire beam is called as it is overhanging beam. Okay. Now, is it a determinate beam or indeterminate beam? How to decide? So, which type of support it is? A
Hinge.
hinge. How many reactions are there?
2.
Two. Which type of support it is in B?
Roller.
Roller. How many support reactions?
1.
One. How total reactions are?
3.
Total equilibrium equations are how many?
Get
3. Okay. So there are 3 equilibrium equations. There are 3 unknowns. We can find out this one support reactions. Is it determinate or indeterminate?
Determinate.
Determinate beam. Okay. Determinate. Okay. So what is asked in the problem? You have to determine find the support reactions. Okay. Find the support reactions. How many support reactions are there? How many support reactions are there? Okay, so there are 3 support reactions. There are 3 support reactions. First, you have to determine RB. Okay, so RB, so till now you have seen support was purely perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular to the beam. Now the support was just inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, it is an angle of. So whenever the support is like this, okay, normal. How will be the normal reaction? Reaction is exactly normal to the support, correct? So this is the reaction. Okay, so if the support is in this condition, if the support is like this, if the support is like this, okay, so how will be the normal reactions? Reaction is always normal to the support. Barabar?
Yes.
Okay, so now support is making an angle 30 degree. So how will be the reactions? Reaction will be is it like this? That is exactly perpendicular to the support, and this reaction is making an angle of how much it is? Can you tell me? Yes, see,
30.
so whenever the support is inclined, okay, so support is inclined like this, inclined, so support is making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so the reaction is like this. What is the reaction made by the support? That is equal to 90 degree. If this is equal to 90 degree, this is equal to 30, and what about this one?
60.
60 degree. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll draw one more. So this is a support. Okay, this support is making an angle of this is 50 degree. Support is making an angle of 50 degree. So there is a reaction. Reaction is always normal to the support, correct? Barabar?
Yes,
So then what is the angle made by this? So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 50 degree. Then can you tell me what is the angle made by this
40 degree.
reaction?
40 degree.
Yes. 40 degree. 40 degree. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now support B is at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, this is making an angle of 30 degree. Then reaction is making an angle of how much it is? How much?
60 degree.
That is 60 degree. 60 degree. Are you getting all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is as good as your sphere problem. Okay. If this is a sphere, okay, the plane is making an angle 30 degree height. So what is the normal reaction? That is 60 degree. Correct? So it is as good as your sphere problem. Is it understood, everyone? The reaction is making an angle of 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Is it understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is how many reactions are there at a point? Huh?
1, 2.
One or two?
Two.
2 reactions.
Okay, 2 reactions. So I will take this one and this one. So I will take this is VA. Okay. I will take this one is HA. And I will take this is I will take RB. I will not take it is whether it is HA or HB or VB. because it is inclined. Okay, he is asking this reaction. Is it understood, everyone? So now
Yes,
how to find out its y component and x component? Y component. So how to find out its y component? What is vertical? So RB resolving along horizontal vertical direction. What is the reaction? RB. Tell me. RB sin 60.
Yes.
Sin 60. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is RB sin 60. That is vertical component. Then it's horizontal component. Horizontal component is
RB cos
RB cos 60.
RB cos 60. Is it correct?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
now my intention is I need to find out the value of RB and VA, vertical reactions, or you can take HA also. Okay. So first what I will do, I will go with the moment equation so that I will get any one of the formula. Okay. Either you can go with the moment about B equal to 0 or moment about A equal to 0. Okay. So that you will get one equation. Okay. So I will directly draw. Taking moment about A okay, summation of moment about A equal to 0. So clockwise moment is anti-clockwise is negative, clockwise is positive. Okay, now so about A tell me this 5 kilonewton, is it working clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Minus 5 into what is the distance between A to 5 kilonewton?
1 meter.
1 meter.
1 meter.
Okay, 1 meter. So next it is 1 meter. Next, coming to the UDL. First you have to convert UDL into the concentrated load. Correct?
Yes.
No, okay, I will not find the equivalent concentrated load. I will directly write here only. Okay, there is nothing problem. Okay, initially आपको understanding होने के लिए मैंने convert किया था. That is UDL into concentrated load. So now I will not convert. I will take the problem as it is. I will solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is it this UDL? Is it producing clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
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 So, plus
Plus
it is
15.
plus. So first you have to write the force, then you have to write the distance. What is the force? UDL is there. UDL should be converted into point load. How to convert? UDL into its length. Correct, Aina?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is 5 is UDL into its length is 3.
3.
Okay. This is 3 meter. Next, what is the distance? That is force into distance.
1.5.
What is the distance? That is length divided by 2. Distance is 3 by 2. Is it understood, everyone? 3 by 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is UDL
Yes,
is acting
sir.
at the center. Next is moment. This moment is it positive clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise. Clockwise.
Plus 10. Next, coming to the inclined load 30 kilonewton. So there are two components, correct? One is horizontal and one is vertical. So this horizontal is passing through the point A. Is it producing any movement?
No.
Okay. Then coming to the vertical. Vertical is rotating beam in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So what is the component? That is plus.
30
That is
45.
what is the component?
30.
30
Sin
sin
45.
45. 30 sin 45. This is force हो गया. Multiply by distance. What is the distance from A to 30 kilonewton? That is 3 plus 2, 5 meter. So 3 plus 2, 5 meter. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is 20 kilonewton. So that is clockwise. 20 kilonewton is force into what is the distance from A to 20 kilonewton? So that is 3 meter plus 2 meter plus 1 meter. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, coming to the RB. In this RB, there is one is X component and one is Y component. This horizontal component is passing through the A. Is it producing any movement?
No.
No. Then coming to the vertical component. So vertical component is rotating in a clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. That is minus
RB sin 60.
RB sin 60 into what is the distance between A to B? That is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1.
7.
So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 0. Is it understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So solve. All of you solve this one. You will get RB directly. Okay, so solve karo. Sab log. How much you will get? Yes.
$42.26.
Yes. 42 point. Again, any other answers? Yes, any other answers?
41.84.
41.8. Yes.
41.82.
Yes, correct answer. Yes. Yes, up answer जो है वो correct है. So that is 41.82. It means whatever you have written, that is correct, and your answer is also correct. Okay, that is RB आ गया. So once after finding the value of RB, so next what I need to find out? What I need to find out? RB होने के बाद you can take sigma V is equal to 0. So sigma V is equal to 0. Okay, that is sigma V means vertical forces. Okay, that is force moving upward is positive, force moving up downward is negative. So that is sigma Fy. Okay, sigma Fy it is. So what are the forces moving in vertical direction? VA plus VA. Okay, next again RB sin 60. That is plus RB sin 60. Sin 60. Okay, these are vertical moving. Then what are the downward moving forces? That is 5 kilonewton minus 5. This is UDL. UDL should be converted into point load. That is 5 into 3 minus 5 into 3. Next, will you consider this moment? Will you consider this moment?
No. Yes, sir.
No. In the force equation, you are not supposed to consider. So this 30 kilonewton ka. So vertical component of 30 kilonewton minus. Tell me. 30 sin 45. Okay, next there is 20 kilonewton. It is minus 20. Okay, okay, this is equal to 0. So now calculate RB. Yes, calculate RB. RB or RA? Sorry, RA. It is RA. VA. It is VA. Substitute the value. First, I will keep VA as it is here. VA as it is. I will transfer all the things to the other side. Okay, so I will. What is RB? RB is 41 minus. I will transfer to the right hand side. Minus 41.82 sin 60. Sin 60. Then this will become plus 5 plus 5 into 3. That is 15 plus 30 into sin 45. So 30 divided by root 2. Then plus 20. Yes, calculate VA.
Minus 70.68.
Yes, any other? You just check it again.
4.99.
4.99.
24.99.
Yes, 20. Those who are getting 4.99, that is plus 20 karne ka. So 24.99, that is equal to 25 nearly.
Yes, sir. 25.
So 25 is correct answer. Okay, so 25 is VA. So next is you can go for the sometimes in the problem he will directly ask determine uh, VA and RB, or he will ask RA and RB. So RA and RB, whenever he is asking, that is only vertical reaction you have to find out. Okay, only vertical find. Sometimes if he is asking find support reactions, means whatever support reactions are there, that you have to find out. Is it correct? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we next apply sigma fx is equal to sigma h is equal to 0. If you want to, you can take this is sigma fb, okay, or fy. This is sigma fx is equal to 0. That is right moving is positive, left moving is negative. So what are the forces? HA is positive or negative?
Positive.
Force
Positive.
HA. Then is there any other forces? Yes, this 30 ka x component minus x component, 30 cos 45. Next, is there any other forces? Yes, RB is also moving. Minus RB
For
RB
60.
cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 0. Okay, so HA is equal to, I will transfer this 30 cos 45. This plus RB is 41.82 into cos 60. Okay, so calculate HA.
42.12.
42.12.
12 kilonewton. Okay, so this is how you are to do whenever the force is given, support is given inclined. Okay, so first you have to go for moment equation, then sigma fx equation, then sigma fy equation. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
right
sir.
now, right now. Thirteen roll number.
झालं सर.
Wait, others.
No, sir.
18, 22, 31, 38, 43, 44, Absent numbers 13. Rishikesh. So he is present, but he cannot speak. Why? Absent numbers 18, 22, 31, 38, 43. These are the absent numbers. Okay, हो गया सबका?
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Yes, everyone. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
So just a bit. I'll stop. I'll download that PPT. Is it visible with full screen?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Full screen, nice.
Full screen name. Okay. So we have seen these problems. Okay. Okay, this problem we have seen. Okay, the same kind. Will you solve this problem? See, I have taken some of the problems. Determine the reactions at the support. Okay. So which type of beam it is?
Cantilever.
See, is this visible with full screen to everyone?
Hinged.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, this is
Overhanging.
UDL line, either point load I, either moment I, this is triangular load I. Okay, all the types of loads are there. This is reaction, that is support, roller support. This is hinge support I. Next, so here he has given which portion it is. It is overhanging portion. Hence the beam is, which type of beam it is?
Overhanging.
Overhanging beam.
Overhanging.
Is it okay? Will you solve this type of problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I have
sir.
taken this. Okay. You see answers. These are your university paper questions. Okay. University question exam में जो question paper में आए थे ना वही question paper questions है. RA and RB he has found. It means HA he has not given. He has not given means what? That is purely horizontal. That is purely zero. Correct है ना? Because there is no inclined load. Inclined नहीं है इसमें इसके लिए. Next. This type of problem I have taken AB and BC, BD. This is compound beam. Okay, which portion will you take first?
AB.
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 So that you will get A reactions and B reactions you will get. Again, second one is BD you have to take. Again, so the reaction which is obtained from the AB beam, the same reaction you have to apply. Correct, Aina?
Yes.
Yes.
I have taken this problem in the last class. Okay, so first you have to consider AB and AB ko kya hota? So this is reaction you are getting. Okay, it is RB you are getting the same reaction. Wapas when you are considering for the beam BD. So okay, that is for the beam BD. So you have to put reverse direction. Okay, that is downward direction. Downward direction you have to substitute. Okay, so take A to B. So find out RB. Take B to D. So substitute RB. Okay, RB value substitute करने का. So determine RD value and HC RC value. RC. See here there is a HA. Here there is a VA. Okay, this value. Then there is a RB. He is given. RB is, so this is reaction RB. Then he has given RD. RD is vertical. Okay, RD is this reaction. RD. Then VC has given. VC means HC reaction. Okay. So I have given so many problems. You have to try this one. Okay. This one. So this is A to E is on beam. He has given instead of angle, he has given slope. This 50 kilonewton is acting at an angle of at a slope of 3/2. So can you determine this angle? Can you determine this angle? Yes, theta.
Yes.
So what is the theta value? Theta is equal to tan inverse of
Tan inverse of.
3/2. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will get theta. Then this is acting downward. Then there is a which type of support it is? Which type of support it is? Hinge. So there is one reaction, there is another one reaction. Then there is a moment. Moment is there. So there is a force F. See this one. There is a force F is acting. F is acting. Okay. Is there any other support? Is there any other support? No.
No.
No, sir.
There is no other. Only one support is there. And what is given? EBCDE is a hinged at C. At C, it is hinged. Okay. And it is held in equilibrium. In equilibrium by applying different types of forces. In the figure 3, determine the unknown force and reaction at hinge. Yes, he has given it is equilibrium. Equilibrium means what? Sigma Fx equal to 0, sigma Fy is equal to 0, and moment about a point is equal to 0. Okay, you have to find out this F value. You have to find out this V value, VA value, VC value, VC value. Okay, these two forces you have to find out. How to find out this one? So here, so how to solve this one? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? So first you have to apply moment about a point. Which point is equal to 0? There is a support C, correct? So moment about a C is equal to 0 करने का. So एक बार 0 किया तो, so कौन सा force मिलेगा आपको? This value of F you will get. This value of F you will get. This value directly you will get. Okay, once if you get the value of F, then apply sigma V is equal to 0. Sigma Fy is equal to 0. So that your vertical reaction VC also you will get. Okay, that is VC also you will get. Then apply sigma H is equal to 0, horizontal forces. So that आपको इधर H आई तो O भी मिलेगा. Is it too clear?
Yes, sir.
Will you solve this problem?
Sir, repeat से बताइए जरा.
Okay.
समझ में नहीं.
Okay, I will repeat. So what you have to find out? What you have to find out? Tell me. Which type of support it is? Let's see.
Hinged.
There is a vertical reaction. There is a horizontal reaction. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is a C. At C, there is a force. Okay. F force is there. Okay. He has given there is a force F. With this F, the beam is in equilibrium. It is in equilibrium means what? Beam is in equilibrium means what? Sigma Fx is equal to 0, sigma Fy is equal to 0, and moment about a point is equal to 0. Correct? Na?
0.
So first I want to find out कौन सा भी ले दो. So I will apply moment about a point equal to 0. So that I will find one forces. This is HC, this is VC. So moment about which point equal to? That is support. It's support. MC is equal to 0 करने का. So that you will get the value of F. Okay. So first you have to apply moment equation. You will get the value of F. Then afterwards go for the sigma Fy is equal to 0. So that you will get the value of VC. Then apply sigma Fx equal to 0. So that you will get the value of HC. Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is how you have to try. Yes. Now, so see this problem. So this is one just now I have solved. Correct, है ना?
Yes,
5
sir.
kilonewton का 5 kilonewton meter 10 kilonewton same है ना problem? See,
Yes, sir.
there is a support which is making an angle 30 degree. So it means the reaction is acting like this. So this reaction is making an angle of that is 60 degree. Okay, you have to resolve. One is vertical, one is horizontal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this problem, okay, I will take this problem. Okay. So this is also simple. What is asked? So find the reaction at the support for a bent. So bent supported and loaded as shown in the figure. Okay. So how many equations are there? First of all, you should see at the support. So A is support. Which type of support it is? A. Which type of support? Hinge. How many reactions are there?
Two reactions.
So there are two reactions. One is vertical and one more is horizontal. Correct? Next,
Yes,
at E, how many reactions?
One.
One. Which type of support it is?
Roller.
Next. So here he has given total height. कितना है? Total height.
2 meter.
3 meter.
3 meter.
3 meter.
Okay, 3 meter. This is 1 meter. This is 2 meter. Next. So suppose first you go for moment about a point equal to 0. Moment about a equal to 0. Karo. Okay. Moment about a equal to 0. So this I will start from this point. 10 kilonewton. Okay. I will solve this here only. So this 10 kilonewton. So this 10 kilonewton will rotate the frame in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Plus what is the force? 10 kilonewton into what is the distance from B to till A, that is vertical
3
distance.
meter. 3
2
meter.
plus 1 3 meter, is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, this 12 kilonewton, so this is inclined, it means there is two component, one is X component, one is Y component, correct enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, X component I will take. This horizontal component is rotating a frame in clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, correct?
Anti-clockwise.
That is minus 12
12
into
Cos
cos
45.
45 into what is the distance from this point to till your A point? Vertical
3.
distance.
2.5.
That is 3 meter. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, one more is that is vertically downward. One more is vertical downward force. So is it rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Clockwise. Clockwise. Vertical force.
Clockwise, sir.
What is the force? What is the force? So 12 sine
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 45.
45 into what is the distance between vertical force to till your A? That is 1.5 plus 1. That is equal to
2.5.
2.5 meter. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
this UDL. So how to solve this UDL? So this UDL is acting downward or upward?
Downward.
Downward. This frame is
Downward.
rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. That is plus. So first, what I told, UDL should be converted into point load. How to convert
Point
UDL into point load?
3 into 2.
3 into 2.
3 into
3
2.
into
Yes,
2.
good. 3 into 2. Next, where it will act? Where it will act? It will act at the center of the UDL, correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So if total is equal to 3 meter, how much it is? This is how much?
1 meter.
1 meter. So remaining is 1 meter. Are you
1
getting?
meter.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Then I want from A to till the center of this UDL. How much it is? It is equal to 1.5. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is plus 1. That is 1.5. I will add
4.5.
1.5 plus this is 1 1 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. All of you, are you getting how I have taken?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 1 meter. Okay. Next, ये हो गया. So then what is there? There is a moment, correct? At a D point. So this is 4 kilonewton meter. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So plus 4 kilonewton. Will you multiply distance?
No.
No,
No,
you
sir.
are not supposed to multiply. Then there is a vertical reaction, which that is RE. So RE is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Minus
Anti-clockwise.
RE into what is the distance from A to E? 1.5 plus 2.
7.
3.5 plus 2. 5.5 plus 1.5. That is 7 meter, correct?
7 meter.
Correct. This is 4. This is 3. 7 meter. Total it is 7 meter is equal to 0. So calculate the value of RB, RE. RE.
76.66.
Check it once again. Divided by 7 किया.
$15.38.
No. Check it once again.
8.09.
8 point.
60.39.
Divided by 7 करो.
60.39.
Divided by 7.
8.10.
Are you getting correct answer? 8.10. 8.1. Are you getting correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How much is given in the problem? Answer is see here. So there is 8.10. So answer is 8.10 is correct answer. All of you. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
See,
Getting, sir.
Yes, sir.
8.1, that is correct answer. Okay, somewhere you might have made a mistake calculation. Okay, this is 3 plus, this is 4.5 total it is. And this is 4.5. This is 4. There is a 4 also. Okay. So if you want, I will take this 4 to the other side. So there it is, plus 4. Plus 4. I will take. So you will get a 8.1. Okay, this is correct answer. Okay, leave it. Don't try now. Next, RE mil gaya. Then I want to find out RA. So how to find out the RA? How to find out RA? RA means VA. Okay, RA means VA, vertical reaction. Yes, sigma. Yes, sigma Fy is equal to 0. Correct, hai na? What is sigma Fy equal to 0? RA is moving upward direction plus RA. Next, RE moving upward direction plus RE. RE. This is equal to upward moving forces equal to downward moving forces. So what are the downward moving forces? So this 12 kilonewton ka downward component. What is that one? 12
12
sine
12
45.
sine 45.
45. Then UDL is downward. That is plus 3 into 2. Then is there any other forces? No. Ho gaya. So you know the value of RE. RE is equal to 8.1. So I will take RA. I want RA is equal to 12 sine 45 plus 3 into 2 6. That is minus RE. RE value is 8.1. 8.1. So calculate RA value. Calculate RA value.
6.38.
6.38.
6.38.
6.38 kilonewton. So 6. See what is given in the answer? 6.56. Are you getting correct answer? Means calculation
Yes,
correct
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
there will be
sir.
small mistake. Okay. So that is 6 point something. That is also 6 point something. Okay. So this is correct answer.
सर वहाँ downward
हाँ
सर वहाँ vertical लिया है ना
हाँ
वो sin 45
हाँ 12 sin 45.
वहाँ cos आएगा ना
से क्यों cos sigma fy. fy मतलब क्या है? Vertical component is cos है ना? Sorry sin.
x axis म्हणजे
I have taken sigma fy equal to 0. Fy means wow, vertical.
okay
Are you getting? And next sigma fx karo, so you will get an answer this one. Okay, you just watch this video once again, you will get this answer, correct answer. Okay. Okay.
okay sir.
Yes, sir.
See, next is which type of beam it is? Which type of beam it is?
Cantilever.
Cantilever, because A is fixed and all is free. Okay, so how many reactions are there at A?
3.
3.
3.
So one is horizontal. Horizontal is there any other horizontal forces? So
No.
no. So you will get a horizontal is that is equal to 0. Next vertical is you have to apply vertical force. You will get VA. Then moment about A equal to 0. So that you will get moment equation. Okay. Will you solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, I have given lots of problems for the just your practice purpose. Same kind. So all the way, tricks, whatever you wanted, all I have given. Util कैसे करने का, point load कैसे करने का, moment और triangular load or trapezoidal load. All the varieties I have given. See, this is reaction. How it is? Support is A is at an angle of 45. 45. So how will be the reaction? Reaction is exactly normal to the support. Correct, Emma?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
much the angle made by the support?
45
45. So you have to resolve. One is x component, one is y component. Okay. So x component kya hai? 0. Y component you have to take. So how to solve this one? Take moment about A equal to 0 first. So that you will get a RB value. Okay, RB value you will get. Then take sigma B is equal to 0. So that you will get RA value. Okay. Is it simple enough?
yes
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, this type of problem also I have solved. See, compound. This is also I have taken compound beam. So how to solve this one? Which beam we will take first? Which beam will take?
BD.
Yes.
BD.
AC or BD? First you have to take BD. Okay. First you have to consider BD pose. This is BD. How many reactions are for the BD? There is a B. Which type of roller? Which type of support it is? It is simply supported. So it means reaction is moving upward direction. Okay. Reaction. Then at a D, which type of support?
Hinged.
Hinge. So this is one is horizontal and another one is vertical. Vertical. So you apply moment about a point B equal to 0. Moment about a point B equal to 0. So that you will get a RD value. Okay. RD. R means vertical always. RD. You will get. Then again take sigma fx equal to 0 and all the things. So that you will get RA, RD and RB. Once RB find out करने के बाद क्या करने का? हाँ, you will consider free body diagram of AC. So second you will consider AC. Okay. So AC में कौन कौन सा force act हो रहे? One is 30 kilonewton force. Next, after 1 meter, this RB is also acting. RB is also acting. Afterwards, at C, which type of support it is? At C, C is which type of support? Roller support. One reaction. At A, there are two reactions at A. So that is, this is HA, this is VA, then this is RC. So this is RB. So RB ke already you have found RB value. Same RB value you have to substitute here, and you can find out all these values. Okay, easy any problem. So just you have to practice all these problems. See, this is one problem. First you have to take AB beam. Find out the value of RA and RB. RB find out करने के बाद apply that RB on the BD for beam. So find out RC, RD. Here just you have to find out all the vertical reaction RA, RB, RC, RD. Next, how to solve this one? Yes, how to solve this problem? This is also same. Which type of support it is?
Overhang.
This is overhanging beam. At A, it is hinge. One is vertical reaction, one is horizontal reaction. At B, B is support is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So this is support reaction. Correct? No? That
Yes.
reaction is
Yes,
making an angle how much?
60.
60 degree.
One is vertical component, one more is horizontal component. Okay, so determine RA value, RB value. Just now I have solved. Okay, like that. So you can take the free body diagram of beam, then you can convert this UDL into concentrated load. Okay, वैसे भी कर सकते, नहीं तो डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते. Then either UVL है triangular load, convert that into equivalent point load, convert that into equivalent point load. Then you can solve this.
सर 40 किलोन्यूटन का क्या करना?
क्या? ये है ना?
Yes sir.
This is triangular load है ना? This triangular, ये triangle है ना इधर? ये triangular load का intensity है वो.
Yes yes. Okay.
This should be converted into equivalent point load. How? Of base कितना है? 3 meter into height कितना है? Intensity 40. Okay, so this is how you have to convert this. You will get point load. So that is from year to year. How much it is distance? 1/3 of base. Base कितना है? 3 meter. 1/3 of base. This is 1 meter. Remaining is 2 meter. Okay. So
Okay sir.
all the concept I have taken already. Concept though. Just you have to practice. Okay. These are all the different types of problems.
ये solve करना है सब.
Okay, practice karo. Okay, all these problems important. You have to practice. Okay, so in the next class we will take this friction part. Okay, this completes entire your beam chapters. All the varieties of problems I have taken. Okay, just what you have to do, you have to take the problems and you have to solve this one. Okay.
Yes sir.
Is there any doubt to anybody? See, all these problems are practice problems. You have to practice all these. I have taken varieties of problems, all the varieties of problems. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, आपको एग्जाम को till
Yes,
this
sir.
much frames भी डालूंगा because only you are having multiple choice questions. Okay, only you are having multiple choice. So ISC को up to this much frames. First chapter complete. Second chapter में equilibrium of rigid bodies. स्पीयर का प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट योर फ्रेम्स.
सर थेरी है.
Theory on problems. Just find the support reaction of one cantilever beam on
सर
moment.
पॅटर्न
एक्झाम पॅटर्न काय
असणार.
क्या
एग्जाम पैटर्न कैसा है?
एग्जाम पैटर्न है ना, वही तो हम भाई बोल रहे हैं ना. सो मल्टीपल चॉइस रहते, थियरी क्वेश्चंस रहते. नेक्स्ट देयर विल बी प्रॉब्लम्स बड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं रहते बिकॉज 1 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम्स देना है. सो एक प्रॉब्लम में देखे RA is that much, HA is this much, vertical reaction. Okay, moment is at a point, moment is this much. Okay, you have to determine. There will be problems, there will be don't expect same problems as that in your MCQ booklet. उसमें कैसे दिया वैसे ही expect मत करो. This time it will be somewhat different. Okay, I wanted to do one more unit test. Okay, for the different class. I will share that link in the your group. Okay, J division Telegram group में मैंने एक link भेज दे. So try to solve that unit test today evening. वो
Okay,
आपको
sir.
समझ में आएगा कैसे रहेगा यूनिट टेस्ट. ठीक है. Yes,
Okay, sir.
everyone. Is it okay?
ओके सर.
Okay.
Okay.
In the next class, we will start the friction portion.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, roll
Yes, sir.
number 38 present.
38. Okay. अभी आएगा यहाँ क्या? Okay. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Now I will stop. Thank you all.